Hey guys, wanted to show you guys a quick video concerning templates. That's going to be our next little segment. I will be talking with you guys individually in class this week, kind of getting you kind of caught up to speed with the floating of the divs and kind of talk to you through how to build your template, that whole kind of thing, and how a lot of it's going to be more individualistic. So ultimately, I'm kind of starting from the beginning to talk about a few things. The way that you build a template, I mean, all of my site pages you can see, and I've showed you guys before, all of it's built off, I mean, these elements on the side stay the same, the menu stays the same, the footer stays the same, that's all a part of the template. The only thing that's editable is this repeating region in this area right here. So if you actually do view page source, you can, right here at the very beginning, right here, begin editable. So I've already have this segment where you can see the places where I've added different content. Again, here's another one of editable name of head. Ending this one, editable name of content. So there's these editable regions that I put in there for myself for building. The main one being this editable region right here of content. It just made the most sense to me to make, it is actually a pretty common naming convention of content for your, wherever you're going to put your content inside your template. So creating a template is super duper easy. Say that this is the floating div project that we made. Or if you wanted to start from scratch, either way. If you want to start from scratch, you're going to go Control N, which is new, and you're going to change it from blank page, like we've been working with the HTML and the CSS, and you're going to blank template. So there's all these template types. What you really want to look at is HTML template. Later on, when you're much more advanced, even much more advanced than me, you can work with those, and just keep your layout as none. So go ahead and push your create, and you can see right here it automatically puts in right here template begin editable name doc title. So it's saying that I can edit my the document title or that header or the navigation tab, which as you see it right here of Nacho Mama's Designs, that's the thing that you're looking at. And then opening your header, so in case you wanted to add anything to the head of the website. But really and truly, where you'll be putting your content, editable div is inside the body. You don't want to change anything. You're put it before the body. You want to put it inside the body, inside your wrapper. So if we jump over here, because this I just showed you how to create it from new, but say I've already created it. I don't. Okay. Yeah. Don't say it. Don't say. If we jump over here to say, I mean, this is nothing like crazy. There's nothing really in it. The only thing that you can see right here, if you look at the code, is my header. I've put in an unordered list of just these 3 images. This is my main navigation. So you guys have saw in well, in both books about using list items. This is the way that I chose to incorporate my navigation through an unordered list. I named it corkboard top. I named the bottom corkboard bottom. You can see right there, corkboard bottom. And ultimately, the content, the flexible area that I've created is called corkboard middle, and I've named the ID content. So build the template according to the least amount of things that would change in your page. So, in the same way, you'd want to create a header and your footer, leaving the content area very flexible to put whatever you want to put in there. So the easiest way to put in an editable div or an editable template element is the loveliness of Dreamweaver. It's showing you right here. You just jump down to Insert, Template Objects, Editable Region. And I've already obviously inserted that there. And this is the code right here. So template begin editable name of content. So say I didn't do that. If I do it really quick, if I go Insert, HTML or template object, sorry, editable region, I can name it again, content. And it shows up right there. So anything inside these two brackets, and again, I'm going to hard return these so they're very easy to see. So I can, and then you could even comment this out and give yourself, you know, a notification of editable region begins here, because it's just easier for you guys to see it when there's a large comment. Because a lot of times, you know, when you're looking at lines and lines of code, it's difficult to kind of discern, you know, what's what from what. There's also a lot of colors going on in here. Um, so yeah. So I mean, I'm just adding that really quick. So that's you know, the hard and the long of it. Creating a template's really easy. So um, I'm not actually going to save that. But if I, you know, so say I saved you know, and I wanted to create a new page based off the template page that I just created. Um, the way that you would do that is go new, next stage, page from template. I've already created my layout, so it's there, it's waiting for me. So same thing. I always name mine layout or template just for continuity, like just so that I would know. Don't name it index because that's the name of your homepage. You can't name it index. So you, whatever you want to call it acronym wise or whatever, but make sure either to use your camel case or your underscores or however your naming convention is going. So NMD underscore layout, and I'm creating, and same, it's a blank page. Now notice I wanted to show you this because this isn't wrong, this isn't bad. All this content should be grayed out. I can't, yeah, I'm typing over here, you can't see it. I am hacking away. Can't edit it because it's supposed to stay there. It's not supposed to change. So the only thing that I can edit is the content that lives inside here, and watch it populate right there. So that's the real quick and dirty of it, of creating a template. So this week I'll be working with you guys because what you've learned, you learned how to insert an image. You know how to create hyperlinks. You know how to float divs. Through your reading this past week, which I didn't obviously get a chance to talk to you all guys about, is unordered lists and layout elements, just and positioning. So I'm going to talk to you guys, like I say, each individually in this coming week to kind of get everybody up to speed. And then the next thing that I'm going to, you know, talk you all guys through how the best way to build your template is. And then that's the next assignment. We got to start building the template so that we can start building the website. We can start building out those pages and start getting into some more interesting functionality like sliders and jQuery and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah. So the next one we'll talk about is Spry-based navigation.